changes. Are you okay? Okay. I know everything around you's changing. Test of your mind, your faith. They come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, they take your work, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make you hurt. They make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always worth it.
Hey YouTube, this is your girl Yana of Yana's Eyes. I'm coming to you with it's an unboxing. I couldn't think of it for a minute there. This is an unboxing, but I would like to give a review on this company. LMT Cosmetics. She is an indie brand, a growing brand, who has quality products, and she is in her grassroots stages, getting the products out to us, getting us quality products so that we can purchase and not question. I'm here to talk about LMT because I feel like you're spending good money guaranteed. I recently received a package from LMT. The Cutie Crew has partnered with LMT Cosmetics to get the word out about the products that are being offered on the website and some goodies that you can look forward to. She has a nice welcoming message to let you know that you can be featured on LMT's website whenever you make a purchase. She's always going to tag you guys. She's going to even tag the other companies that you represent on your look. She will repost it as is. She's really a professional. Products are quality. I like LMT because everything that I have personally purchased from her has been quality, from the Period Poo palette, which I'm gonna try to stick right here, to her lashes. And I have only heard rave reviews from other customers as well as people who do PR for LMT Cosmetics, and I personally know that it's good to work with. She's a woman of her word. She stays on top of things. She's not only the president but a beautiful client of LMT Cosmetics, because sis stay with the slay, plays no games, and she lets you know up front that she believes in her brand. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you. Okay, so first and foremost, how cute is this? Different. Sis is trying to make a statement. She's letting y'all know that she took her time in the detail with these products. You've seen these before. The good old Cutie Lash. Shout out to Cutie Community, which they were named after. Join us on Facebook if you're not already there. Tomorrow starts season 4 of Cutie Wars. You might want to check that out. Okay, these are called Lux. See, she sent us umbrellas because she knows we're about to make it rain on y'all. It's getting ready to rain. We're getting ready to hit y'all with these lash collabs, showing y'all what that Period Poo do. Aww, and then this is like in a cute case. How adorable. This is called Killian. This is my kind of lash. See, Cutie is a lot of lash. It just happened to look nice on me. But this is my range right here, Killian. Short to long. Yeah. Okay. All right now. Setting spray, LMT Cosmetics. What I will say, definitely, is that whenever an indie brand comes out with something especially like this, they're letting you know that they have done the research, that they have done the due diligence, and from their due diligence found us quality products that they could pay, they could put a price tag on. Shipping, handling, marketing, beautiful packaging, you know, things like that. So we have to support our indie brands just as much, if not more, than the bigger brands. I mean, we have our favorites. We're going to shop as regular, just saying pay attention and try to spread the love.
Spread the love.
Okay? Spread the love. A brow styling soap. So I'm excited to try this and to learn this technique, because with these curly brows, oh, it comes with like a little brush and everything. With these curly brows that I have, I need something to help me make them lay down. I'm not gonna mess with it right now, but it's a nice little slide off. It's actually clear. Yes, this is going to be the move. You did this, sis. It's the right texture. It's making me want to use it right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. Nope. Let me stop.
This is the Brow Bar Soap.
Not available just yet. I'll be using it in an upcoming video. LMT Cosmetics. Oh, it's not a clay, just like a wrist bag, but it goes on your finger because it's small. And inside of here are another pair of lashes. Drama. These are called Balenciaga. There we go. It needs something on the back. We're gonna give them all a try, okay? But I'm most excited about this brow soap bar. So currently on her website, she has lashes, hair bundles, the Period Poo palette. I'll be right back. I have to show you this palette. Okay, I'm back. The Period Poo palette from LMT Cosmetics, right? It's a very pigmented palette, but what to me makes this palette so special is that it does not stain. It does not stain. With every other palette that I have, whether it be indie or a national brand, it's very, very few of them that do not stain my eyelids, and Period Poo is one of them. It is a good palette. You know, it's something that you definitely want in your makeup kit for personal or for professional use. Okay, it's just a really good palette. All right. So shout out to LMT. Shout out to Terry Hicks of LMT Cosmetics for giving us quality products. We're going to continue to support and get the word out about what LMT Cosmetics is doing. So as always, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know if you've purchased anything or if you are interested in anything that I've shown, or any questions that I may be able to answer or pass along to Boss Lady herself. And thank you again for watching this quick video. Until next time, this is your girl Yana of Yana's Eyes saying see ya when I see ya. Peace.
They come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always